If your car's air conditioning stopped working, there's a chance it could be covered by auto insurance. In this video, I will go into the details on which part of the AC system are covered and under what circumstances auto insurance will pay to fix your car's air conditioning. Hi everyone, my name is Eric West. I am an ASE certified auto damage adjuster with over 15 years of experience working for multiple auto insurance companies inspecting damaged and totaled vehicles for insurance claims. Okay, so depending on the insurance you purchased, your vehicle can be covered under three main policies: collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, and mechanical breakdown insurance. Each one of these can cover certain damages to your AC system. Now, it is obvious that if your vehicle was in an accident, that the AC system could be damaged, and this should be included in the repair estimate. Even if the car was repaired and the AC system stopped working after you received the car from the shop, it is possible the insurance estimator or mechanic missed this damage. This can be easily addressed by contacting the insurance adjuster and having them re-inspect your car. In this video, I am discussing damages to the AC system that are not part of an accident with another vehicle or a large stationary object such as a tree. Here are the three ways each type of coverage can be used to fix your AC system. 1. The most common reason for insurance covering an AC system is due to a flying rock impacting the AC condenser in front of your car. This would be a comprehensive claim. The condenser is located behind the grille and can extend below the front bumper just a few inches above the road surface in some vehicles. It is black or silver and made out of aluminum. It should be the first thing you see when you look through your grille. At highway speeds, a flying object such as a rock can hit the condenser and puncture it, most often causing a pinhole leak, which causes the system to lose refrigerant and stop working. You can't always see a puncture, but a leaking area will have an oily residue around it. Combining labor, parts, and the cost of refrigerant, it can cost easily over $500 to replace a condenser. The key takeaway here is that the object is flying or bouncing down the road and that it is not stationary. This is what makes it a comprehensive claim. Aside from flying objects, comprehensive claims include fire, lightning, hail, floods, and theft, which do not usually result in AC damage. I did have a few instances where a mouse got into a person's engine bay and chewed some wiring, which eventually stopped the AC system from working aside from other things. So damage from animals is also considered a comprehensive claim. If you already paid for these damages, you can always try to submit them to your insurance company. 2. A collision with a stationary object under the vehicle can damage the AC condenser, AC lines, or compressor. Fresh scraping or impact damage to these components can indicate a stationary object such as a piece of metal in the road, a tire, or rock was impacted. I've had many claims where a customer ran over weird things like ladders, branches, lawnmower engines, and cinder blocks that caused damage to their AC system. People usually don't notice this damage since it's under the car. They end up going to the dealer, they get a huge bill, and hopefully the dealer recommends they call their insurance. If you already paid for these damages, you can always try to submit them to your insurance company. If your AC system failed due to a faulty component that malfunctioned, then comprehensive and collision coverage will not apply, but if you purchased mechanical breakdown insurance, you should be covered. Your insurance company can call this an extended warranty or something different, so call them to make sure that it is included in your policy. In this case, malfunctioning parts will be replaced. You might still have a deductible to pay though. If none of these insurance scenarios apply to you and you do not see any impact damage to your AC system, you most likely have a failed component such as a bad compressor, pressure sensor, or a leak in your system somewhere. Sometimes a refrigerant refill kit with a sealer can fix your system, but you are probably better off going to a repair shop that specializes in AC repair. I go into more detail on this topic in my article on my website, which I have linked to in the description below. If you find these tips helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I have a series on insurance fraud stories, like the one where customers set their cars on fire thinking they can have their auto loans paid off, or the insurance adjuster who was selling his customers' cars. Finally, I do not monitor all of my YouTube comments, so if you have a question or need to get in touch with me, feel free to contact me through the links in the description below.